Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I have been doing social work and helping people since from various platforms like Rotarian and a doctor. Finally, I have decided to stretch my social service by joining Aam Aadmi Party. It's not that I have heard through media what Aam Aadmi Party has done in Delhi, but I have heard and I have seen by myself when I used to go various time to attend my medical conference to Delhi.
गोयान सुद्धा आम आदमी पक्षान ऑन द ग्राउंड खूप काम केले कोविडा वेळा. ही सगळी दिल्लीची आणि गोयची कामां पळोवन आज दोतोर जे आसा गोयान ते सुद्धा आम आदमी पार्टीक आकर्षित जावंक लागले. वेल्ली मतदारसंघाचे शिंचिनी गावचे एक दोतोर डॉक्टर सॅम्युअल आमकां जॉइन जाता. 7 तारखेक येता ताजो प्रोग्राम मी फाल्यां एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन तुमकां प्रेस करता. 7 तारखेक सगळ्यांक आयकूंक येतलें कितें तें.
Alex Rizal is joining Congress. On 7th, Alex Rizal is joining AAP. So
as of now, there's nothing. Amka kind na.